Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today I'm going to talk to BS students of Government Degree College Haveliya regarding their upcoming exam. Uh, the exam, spring 2020. So this semester, in summer stations, our college is located in summer station. So we had hardly covered our midterm course when this pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, began, and because of this, colleges were closed. Okay, but luckily, 90 to 95% midterm course had been covered. So now, after the closure of the colleges, online teaching began, and the rest of the course was covered through online modes. So there were a number of meetings held. Before I proceed further, for BS students, although this video message is being recorded for the population of GDC Haveliya, but other students studying in government colleges, they can also benefit from this video lecture, because it is a general information for all students that Khyber Pakhtunkhwa uh, has directorate that deals with higher education, known as Directorate of Higher Education. We also call it Department of Higher Education. Okay, Department of Higher Education. So under this department we have directorate as well as secretariat, but so this is the department that issues official circulars and notifications regarding everything. Both colleges and universities are under this department. So a college is affiliated with a university, like GDC Haveliya is affiliated with Aptabad University of Science and Technology. So for us, there are two types of notifications. One is the notification or the circular sent by the university, and that is binding upon us. And second one is that the notification or circulars sent by our own department, Directorate of Higher Education. Okay, Department of Higher Education. And third competent authority is JMC Abbottabad. So JMC is actually JMC is a it circulates orders from AST and DHE. What is JMC? So the province has got 18 GMC, Joint Management Council. So Joint Management Council mean a big college in the district or division is nominated as JMC, and some other colleges are attached to it, and a cluster is created. So to give you an example, that Government Postgraduate College number 1 Abbottabad in district Abbottabad is the GMC head, and 13 colleges, male female, they are attached to this GMC. And whenever some notification is received from Peshawar Department of Higher Education, the only one letter or circular is sent to GMC Abbottabad. Now GMC Abbottabad further circulates this letter to other colleges. This way there are 18 GMC in the province. So second authority is AST, because our college is attached to AST. Now regarding exam, there are different circulars. So I'm going to show one circular. Here there was a meeting held in Abbottabad University on 9th June regarding exam and teaching of spring 2020. So according to this meeting, which was 11th meeting of academic council, a policy document was designed. Let me show you the policy document. This is the policy document, are the SOPs, standing operating procedures for our exam, which is spring 2020. So let me quickly give you the gist of this document. Okay, this document says that midterm exam weightage is 50%, and it will be based upon assignments given to students. Okay, whether they were given on the campus or they were given to them online. And final exam will be 50%. And so this way this semester will be dealt with. Now this policy document says that open book online exam should be held, okay, and another mode is assignments should be given to students, and third one is viva exam. Regarding assignments, so GMC Ahmedabad has circulated a letter. Let me show you this one. They I think this document was designed in the light of earlier circular. So even our own principal, Professor Mohammad Sajjad Khan Saib, circulated to each teacher, as you can see, conveyed by the order of the principal GDC Avelia, that at least 6 to 8 assignments, as you can see, should be given to students. 6 to 8 assignments, so minimum 6 and maximum 8, because weightage is 50%. So exam is going to be based upon 50% weightage for assignments. Although different teachers interpret this document differently, but whatever I have gathered, that up to midterm exam is based upon assignments. Now, second point which is mentioned in this policy document of AST is that open book exam should be held, and second is viva should be conducted for 50% final exam. The crux of the matter is for BA students of GDC Velia, because some of them are not taking online learning and teaching seriously. So as you can see from these two documents, that your exam will be held and it will be online exam. So there is still no policy of on campus exam, okay. So you should be mentally prepared for online exam. So teachers are taking your classes through WhatsApp, and I'm using all the resources available, like Google Classroom, Zoom meetings, weekly meetings, and my own YouTube video channel, YouTube channel available, where I have uploaded around 150 lectures for 3 classes I teach. And now another important thing is that today we received another letter from Directorate of, as you can see, Directorate of Higher Education at the top, and this letter was issued today, 13th of July, I think. Today is 13th of July. So this document recommends that instead of Zoom, Google Meet, another application of Google, should be used as learning management system or for online classes. And this document mentions officially that teachers should be trained, students should be trained, and attendance record should be maintained. And this is addressed to all the 18 GMCs, as you can see, starting from Government College Peshawar, then Charsadda, Nushaira, Mardan, Swabi, Malakand, and this Swat, and then Dir, and then moving on to Buner, Chitral, Kohad, Bannu, Karag, Lucky Marwar, DI Khan, Haripur, number 1 College Ahmedabad, and Mansera. So 18 GMCs have been addressed in this letter. So this letter will be circulated to colleges. So it means that mentally you should be ready. You should be ready mentally that Google Meet and Zoom, they are both conferencing tool. So far I have held a few Zoom meetings with you. Soon I'm going to upload how to use Google Meet. Okay, I have few tutorial with me, and I have been using Google Meet as well. So the purpose of recording this video is that uh, University of AST has mentioned that first phase was June 1st up to July 15th. Okay, so June 1st, let me take you back to university's letter. As you can see here on the screen, June 1st to 15th July, this was phase 1. Okay, phase 1. Now your phase 2 is going to start. Phase 2 means that 16th July, from 16th July up to 15th August. So this month is very crucial month. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few more assignments, because you have to be graded. And already you were given a warm up quiz. Okay, that was just warm up quiz, that's why I didn't fix the time. I just gave you 24 hours. But now I won't give you 24 hours. You will be given 30 minutes. Let's say if the quiz starts at 10 a.m., it is going to end at 10:30. And this within these 30 minutes you have to keep your Android phone or laptop ready. And you need to buy data package. Date will be mentioned, time will be mentioned. So for that day and time you can go and buy rupees under data package, so that you can't say that there was no light and there was no electricity and you were under load shedding phase and this and that. So while you are using data packages, it means no load shedding, so you can use Android phone. And it doesn't take much, because MCQ based quiz on Google Forms, just you have to tick and you have to move forward, and within 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, you can do the quiz. So MCQ based exam will be there. So I'm managing everything in Google Classroom. So whatever you do, you have to do through Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a learning management system which keeps not only your attendance, because when you submit an assignment, so I mark you present. And second way is that we have WhatsApp groups, so you need to visit these groups. Why I say this? Cause sometime I have two groups, as you can see on the screen. Let me give you an example of English 6 psycholinguistics. So this is the admin group. So you are requested to daily visit this group. Okay, cause there are no messages from students, as you can see today. So you can daily visit it and see what I have uploaded. So here is the message which I sent you yesterday. As you can see here, that date is mentioned yesterday, as you can see yesterday. So only when you visit this group, you can come here, and as there are no messages from students, so you just can scroll up like this and see messages from me. So this is the main group. So every BS student who is studying from me, he or she should daily visit this group. Okay, and for fourth semester we have this group. And for male students of English second, communication skills is here, and for female we have a separate group. So another group is for discussion. Okay, as you can see, English 6 discussion. Here there are lots of messages from students, so it is difficult for every student to trace my messages in this discussion. That's why I requested you to daily visit your admin group. Okay, so please be present in these groups. I am also maintaining your attendance by your participation, from your participation in these groups. Whenever I say send something in the groups, you are requested to acknowledge it. So this way it means that you are visiting constantly and you are noticing things. Like let me give you an example of another group. Let's say this one was your. So here I just uploaded that submit your research report, I won't extend the date. So this message, as you can see here, just a minute. So this message was seen by these students, as you can see here. Almost everybody has seen it. Only 2 students remain, and message has been delivered to them, that is Samina. She has not yet seen it, but message is with her. Then one more student remains. So it means out of 26 students, 24 students have read this message, and even further detail is given. They are delivered at 2:53 p.m. and read by Khizra at the same time. Maybe few students have read it late. This student, the message was delivered to this student at 1:54 p.m. and she read it at the same time. So the whole history is written. So it means if you are reading it, so there should be a comment like Momna has read, all of you have read, but there should be some acknowledgement. This acknowledgement can be given in this group discussion. As you can see, the same message was shared here as well. So here is acknowledgement. So if I want to maintain your record, attendance record, so I can maintain it from this, like Zaid is present, okay, Muhammad Ali is present, as you can see here, Ayaz is present, okay, and then Numan Nasir is present. So you can visit this group once at least within 24 hours. WhatsApp packages are almost free, so you can't make an excuse. So there are 24 hours, so daily, not at a fixed time, you have to visit this group to notice, to note down messages by the teacher. So if you don't come to this group and you are seeing the message, it means you are using this group, because the message is has been delivered to you, you have seen it, but you don't bother to comment. You must come here and say message received, thank you, I am going to do it. And if you don't do it, you won't be marked present. So I'm maintaining attendance sheet as well. So your presence here in the form of a short comment means that you are present. And second is your participation in Google Classroom, okay. So you have to submit everything to through Google Classroom, okay. So this is English 2nd, English 6th and English 4th, okay. So students who are submitting their like sentence stress was an assignment, presentation was given to you, research report you are writing, and then warm-up quiz was given to you, okay. So let's see warm-up quiz English 4th. So how many students attempted it? As you can see, 3 students have not yet attempted warm-up quiz: Asma Gul, Laiba Javed and Maryam Hafiz. And now they have to attempt it, because date is extended to 14th July. After this I'm gonna close the portal, so they are going to lose marks. There are 20 marks for this quiz, as you can see here. So I'm maintaining everything in the Google Classroom. So here we have English 6, okay. So classwork, research report you are writing, behaviorism is another assignment, it's a presentation. Warm-up quiz was given to you. Now another assignment is interlanguage. So few more assignments will be given to you, few more quizzes will be uploaded here, and you have to present one more time. So all this will be used to promote you in the course of psycholinguistics, phonetics and phonology and communication skills. So you are requested to be serious, and particularly in the next month, that is from 16th of July till 16th of August. So this whole month you have to be present in the WhatsApp group, respond to Google Classroom, and listen to lectures which I upload onto YouTube channel. And books are with you. Each student of 4th semester and 6th semester, you have been given 2 books, okay. 2 books each have been given to you. So one book is compulsory to read, and the second book I'm going to mention different chapters, and you have to go through those chapters. So as far as English 2nd semester is concerned, they were also given hard copy photocopies of course contents and the reading material, and they must also get hard copies placed even in the college, and I think I placed at a certain stationery shop in the market. So go and pick them. So keep listening to WhatsApp messages, keep listening to YouTube videos, and keep responding to assignments, quizzes and presentation. And inshallah soon you will be given online exam for promotion to the next semester. And hopefully in the month of September we are going to have fresh semester, or worst comes to the worst, at least in October we are going to be back on the campus. But online teaching and learning is now a reality. Students who are still taking it non seriously, who are not serious and who don't respond to my messages, and they think that they will be promoted. At least in my courses they will not be promoted, they have to repeat, because like every other teacher, I'm also recording. Online teaching is difficult as compared to on campus teaching, because you have to first read yourself, then you have to make a PowerPoint, and you have to select data, and then you have to record it, then you have to share it and upload it. So it takes a lot of time, and when you are teaching 3 online classes, so it means you are taking up a lot of time. Family time is being given to students as well. So if teachers are working hard, every teacher hopefully, so students are required to be serious, and they must be responding to whatever we say. So some students ask that when is the final time exam. So you should be pretty clear that your final exam will be after 15th of August. So within 15 days everything will be wrapped up. Okay, so you have got only 1 month for preparation. So open your books, read through different chapters, and listen to video tutorials which I upload to YouTube video. Come to the discussion group and participate. Thank you very much.